Jason Mraz, I Won't Give Up. Anna's taking me to Winners today for Valentine's Day. Yay! Say yay, V! Yay! Oh, you'll get excited when you're older. Gosh, it's cold. We still have to take our Christmas lights down. The last snow.
Double. An everything bagel toasted with double urban garlic cream cheese. And do you have those birthday cake Timbits?
Sure do.
Can I get 5 of those?
5 birthday cake Timbits?
Yep, that's everything.
Okay, that's gonna be $7.28.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Might be like a 1 Timbit.
Look at them.
Look at the bees.
Little fishies. See all the little fishies?
What do you think?
Baby.
Yeah, they're baby fish. I think she likes the fish. Yeah, she really liked the fishes. The fishies. Colin spilled his coffee in there.
Blake not doing it.
She did not. She did not. I saw him. Now to Winners. It's very bright and I forgot my sunglasses. Husband got me some cute stuff. I'm so excited. I got 3 tops and I needed a new bronzer, so I found a I can't get my seatbelt in. A Too Faced contour kit for 30 bucks. So that's a really good price. I can get my seatbelt in. You see cheese?
Dip in the ketchup. Dip.
Cheese?
Good girl.
Oh, she likes French fries. Do you like that? And you're gonna get your chicken nuggets? Yeah. You gonna dance? Cute little, thank you. Yay, dance! Stomp your feet. Good girl. Blakey's all excited because her Mima brought her an Elmo, a Tickle Me Elmo.
Where's Elmo?
And she's obsessed with Elmo.
Come give Elmo a hug.
Like when she saw the box, she was like, see Elmo! There he is with Dada. And Daddy's got his new Oakley shirt on. Go get it! Get your Elmo! You push his tummy? Oh, push his tummy. She's obsessed. We are on our way to dinner, and I just have the same top on that I had before. I don't know if yeah, just this one, and then I threw in some earrings, and I have knee-high boots on.
She climbed into the truck.
Well, Colin was like, he was like, put your leg up to get in the truck, and I couldn't get my leg up, and then the second time I did, and then he had to like boost me in, because how...
The truck has a 6-inch lift with no running boards and 37-inch tires on it.
Yeah, so that's why I needed a bit of help, but he helped me up there, and I made it, so it's nice taking your truck, actually. It's a very nice truck. But anyways, we're gonna go to dinner. It's kind of for Valentine's Day, because we didn't get to go on Valentine's because he was in Montreal working, and then he leaves tomorrow and he's gone for another week in Montreal for work, so we thought we'd go for a little date night tonight, so we're very excited and hungry. And yeah, I'm gonna end it here, I think. Love you guys. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
Keep your stick on the ice.
Keep your stick on the ice. It's a very Canadian thing to say.